Hey guys, I want to come and show you guys some styles that you can try with Chebe. So this is what the first style I chose to try. It's just a twisted updo. I got the style inspiration from a braided updo. And I wore this style for about 2 weeks. My parts aren't great because I did this one outside, but this is what I got the inspiration from. And it's not going to look as neat as hers just because mine has Chebe in it. The second style I decided to try was a heart style, and it was a complete fail in my opinion, but I still wore it for about a week. It was supposed to look like this picture, but my husband tried to help me with my parts, and again, I did it outside, so it didn't look the best. And then this is the last style I tried. I currently have this one in now, and I actually really like this one. It was really quick and easy. All it is some knots on top of my head. I wouldn't call them Bantu knots because I didn't twist my hair around. I tried that at first, but they were too small in my opinion, so I wanted them to look more fluffy and big. Even though my hair is weighted down a little bit with the Chebe powder, and then on top of the Chebe powder, I put the butter so it would have a cleaner, sleeker look, and it will hold in the powder so I wouldn't have a lot of fallout. So that's why I added the butter on top of the powder. But in the front, I just did 2 flat twists, one going down the front and then one going along the side. And then I combined the two just because my edges are a little bit shorter. And plus, I didn't want to put any strain on them by pulling them back into the little knot that I made. But overall, I like this style. It was, like I said, quick and easy. And I'm going to see how long it actually lasts me when doing it. So this is just me twisting it. And for the other styles, I also flat twisted those, or I did a faux braid. So I didn't use any rubber bands. I just twisted them just because I felt braiding would take me a lot longer, especially since I have to reapply Chebe weekly almost. So I didn't want to commit to braids for that long of a time. So now I'm just combining the 2 twists that I made on each side so that it makes one twist. And then you're going to see me check the top. And I'm just going to close the door because I couldn't really see if they were even at the top without it. So I closed the door so I can have a solid background. So this is how I did how I did all of them actually. I kind of just looped them around each other. I didn't do any extra twisting or make them twist up on themselves. I just literally balled my hair up and wrapped it around. And how I've been wearing it at night is just placing a bonnet on top. And it's been doing pretty good. So now I'm just going to add some jewels. And I didn't add beads just because I didn't have any beads. Plus, I felt beads would be a little heavy. So I'm just adding some little, faux jewelry that you find at the hair store. And they're very, very lightweight. Like I can't even tell that I have them in my hair. But they're normally the ones you wrap around braids. So I just used them as beads. But like I said, they're very lightweight. They don't put any extra tension or weight on my hair. And with this style, like once I started adding the jewelry, I was like, ooh, I'm like a little queen. Like I felt really queenish. So these are just 3 styles that I've tried. And just to give you options to let you know that you can style your hair with Chebe. You don't always just have to wear braids or wear wigs or weaves or anything like that. You can style your real hair in the same styles that you would try if you didn't have Chebe in. You just have to keep in mind that the style won't be as sleek and clean and neat as a regular style would be, just because you do have Chebe powder in your hair. But if you just use the Chebe butter and don't use the Chebe powder, then you can get a sleek, clean, neat look. But since I have the powder in my hair and the butter, then I don't expect my hair to be sleek and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.